Not loud or harsh, just a healing word, a soft reply, a calming stream, turns away anger, restores the dream. A gentle whisper of grace, bringing peace to every place. With words of love, the fire subsides, healing flows where wisdom abides. When tempers rise, the hearts collide, a tender answer turns the tide. Choose the path of quiet peace, let every harsh word cease. A gentle whisper of grace, bringing peace to every place. With words of love, the fire subsides,